Let's check.
It's raining. Let's play inside. Let's go frog. What I play now? Oh, idea. That is my bag. That is my pencil.
And what you will do now?
Water this.
Okay, and then?
Let's this. So.
Yeah, and let's see what will be happening.
Yes, let's try it.
Let's try.
Let's try water. Let's take this one.
Now, mommy, I will help you. I will hold the bag. Let's try.
This is
Don't move it, mommy. Just, yeah, start. Yeah, continue. Okay. Wow. You see? Good job. It's not.
Look, this is not doing crazy. This is
Okay.
not crazy.
Let's try the other.
You try too.
Me? Okay.
No, you try.
What?
This.
Okay, don't worry. Just make it. Stop. Good job. One more. Yeah. Don't move so much. Good job. We have how many pencils?
1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Blue.
You want to put this one also?
Yes.
Okay.
Not blue.
I'm not moving. Good job. And this experiment is done. Yeah? We made it.
Now, this do
You-
it another one.
You want to remove the pencils to see what will be happening? Wait. We will put this one.
No.
I think you are right. Sit, mom. Sit.
Okay. No.
Slowly. Oh. There are no more water. Yes, you see, guys, when we remove the pencils, the water is going out. You want to play with water?
Yes.
Yes. Play with water is funny. Ooh. Yeah. Good job, mommy.
Another one.
Let's check.
Let's do another thing.
Okay. Let's check what else we can do.
Let's do this one.
What is the name of this?
Jingle.
Jenga.
Jenga.
Let's make the Jenga.
Yeah.
We are ready.
Yes. Let's take.
Let's take. First is your turn. Good job. Now?
You.
Okay. Good job. Let's see who will win.
And down.
Okay, you can choose where you want. Wow, that was so fast. Good job.
I want here. Think I can. No, this way I want. Think I can.
Okay.
The money I do.
Oh.
I look
That
it.
was not easy.
Mommy, look. I doing so info.
Not easy.
Cheerio.
I will choose.
No.
No. No. No, it's not moving. Yes, I found.
No, look, I doing so.
Yeah? It's your turn. Good job. You make domino. Bless you.
Thank you. Have you?
Yes, it's my turn. Mhm. Oh my god. Now you. Whoa, whoa. Good job,
I
mommy.
doing door.
Domino.
I doing.
Okay. Whoa.
I so easy busy.
I took. Sorry.
Now me.
Wow.
That is so.
I think you will win. I will lose. It's not easy anymore. Can I try? Oh,
You can't take it.
oh. Wait, mommy. Let's see who will win.
I did. The door.
I win. Are you sad?
Yes, I can't play.
It was not easy anymore, mommy. It was very hard.
No, you think I can take it?
You want one more time? Let's do it.
That is not.
Yes.
Now you.
Okay. Good job. Slowly, mommy. Otherwise, it will fall. No, it's my turn.
Oh, sorry.
It's
Can
Wow, that was very fast. Yes, but I already touched it.
you said I
I lose. Oh my god.
win.
You know what you can play with this Jenga also?
Mm-hmm.
What is it?
Double.
Domino.
Double. Look at me. This is easy iPhone.
Yeah. Good job. Let's do something else.
Yes. Boom. Let's play. Wanna play?
Yes, let's check this one.
Yes, this is not worth.
What we have here. What we need to do. Can you explain? It's here very nice. Guitar, crown. Oh, it's here for other papers. Yeah. Okay. Which one you want? Numbers.
This one.
Okay. You can put up. This that you choose. We need a book. Ah, okay. And then? Okay.
This is not black color.
And now what? Like I will found the one of the house, and you need to find another one.
Yeah.
Okay, blue is for me.
Red is me.
Sit, mommy. What you choose? What is this? What is this?
Rainbow.
What?
Rainbow.
Grapes? No, I don't know.
Grapes.
No, grapes is here. It's like blueberry.
Blueberry.
I found it. Let's check. Yes, good job. Yes, good job.
Blueberry this one.
What is
Blueberry here this one.
cat? Okay. Nothing. Yes. I want to find now. I want to show you until you can find. Okay. I want cheese. Where's the other half of cheese? Good job. This is
Corn.
corn.
What's corn?
Here. Yes. Good job. Yeah, this is the brush and toothpaste. What we will do with this?
Brushing with it.
Yes. Let's play
Another challenge.
another game. Let's go. What is your next game?
Flash.
Yeah, bottle.
Yes, bottle.
Oh no. Let's try one by one.
You.
Okay, one for me and one for you. Oh no. Wow, good job.
Tell you, I win.
Okay.
I help you.
Okay. Let's do like this. If you win 3 times,
Oh, free that.
you will have a gift. Something sweet. If I win, I will eat it.
Okay.
Okay.
Take your flash.
Okay, I'm coming. Wait. Now, who make first 3 will have surprise. Okay?
Me?
Oh, I didn't see it on the
No,
table.
this is you.
Oh, okay. Okay, mom. I counted. 1, 1. Okay? I'm so higher. Like, oh. Not on your head. Yes, it was. Just it fall down. 2. You are 2. I have 2 points. Let's check who will win. Who makes 3? Get the surprise.
Yeah.
Oh, good job. High five. You want your surprise?
Good job. You want a surprise? Close your eyes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Check. Here for you.
This.
Oh, it's have a surprise inside. Oh, this is for the Sinterklaas in Netherlands. Yeah.
I see my kid. This Santa Claus.
Yeah?
Santa Claus, Santa Claus, bring and Mimi.
Let's check other game. Okay?
I
Take
take
it.
my egg.
Okay. Are you ready for the new game? Yeah? What you see? What is this? Parrot. And here? Mushroom. Ah, you will check from the camera, okay? This? job. It's Ebu.
I must go there.
Which number is this? Vogel is Dutch. And English? Bird. Good.
Egg,
Okay. And this?
acorn,
It's here.
apple,
Good job. And
pineapple,
what?
pineapple,
Pineapple.
bus,
Okay.
pear,
Good job.
ice rainbow, Roblox, car, curve,
What?
her,
Yes. The boy hurt himself. And what he's doing?
brain,
Crying. And this side?
mouse, teacher,
Do you want to continue or you want to finish? Do you have other game? No. And what you will say to your friends?
follow me, bye-bye.
Mateo, you have 3 seconds to go on the sofa. The floor is lava. Run. 1, 2, 3. Good job. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching.